YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bells so not miss future videos. I have some cheap, high-yield dividend stocks for you to check out. Now, you don't have to do this because I do it. You don't have to follow my investing strategy because I do it. But these are high yielders that I'm incorporating with my dividend portfolio. I have a brand new one. I like it. I like the revenue trends, and I like the dividend growth that's slowly getting up there. It's a high yielder. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so not miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these 3 high yield dividend stocks. Right. I'm going to be very basic. I'm going to show you the revenue trends, and I'm going to show you the dividend history. Capital Southwest Corporation, I absolutely love them. They're a business development company, sitting at 23.29. The dividend yield is 10.86%. The PE ratio is 14.04. The average volume is 443.68K. The market cap is 1.11 billion US dollars. Year range is 2201 to 2723. Day range is 2305 to 2331. Previous close is 2297. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history with this business development company. Now, with business development companies, you have to be aware of the revenue and revenue trends, because if the revenue is not good, then you can have an issue, and then you may not get dividend hikes, you may get dividend cuts. And as I said before, things may change in my dividend portfolio. So you need to follow your own investing strategy. I'm just being very transparent and showing you, for entertainment purposes, my investing strategy and what I plan on doing, because things can change, things can fluctuate. Why I tell you, don't follow what I do, just being very transparent with my strategies, because things can change. So annually in millions US dollars, 2016, 9.16, 2017, 23.47, 2018, 35, 126, 2019, 51.88, 2020, 62.03, 2021, 68.06, 2022, 82.21, 2023, 119, 2024, 178. So the trends are up there. Now let's check out the dividend history. So check out this growth over time, dividend growth. So 2009, 40 cents. It was a little stagnant. Then 2013, it dropped to 10 cents. Then 2016, 4 cents and 6 cents. Then they started to make a comeback right in 2017, 24 cents, 26 cents, 28 cents, and then it got 89 cents, and then 44 cents, 46 cents, 48 cents, 2019, 49 cents, and then it cracked 50s. Then jumped to 2020s, it's at 51 cents, then 52 cents, 53 cents. It was a special dividend at 97 cents. So it's now at 62 cents, 63 cents, and then cracking the 64 cents and back at 63 cents. So remember, business development companies, they have a high payout ratio. 90% of what they make have to go back to dividend investors. Now, is this a really amazing dividend grower? Is it going to be at 5% the whole time? I doubt it. That's why I like one of the lower yielding dividend growth stocks for long term. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 12. You bought 1 share, you made 232 with a 9.96% dividend yield. So let me just sum this up why I own them. I love the revenue trends. I love the high yield. Now, if I can get to 400 or so shares with them, imagine how much passive income I can earn with them and turbocharge my dividend portfolio. So I like income stocks. I would love to retire on this income too. So again, it's a high yielder, but don't expect the dividend growth to be up there. But if I can get to 400 shares and earn that quarterly with CSWC, why would I say no? So again, there's a risk with high yield, so you have to be aware of that. Let's jump to the next cheap dividend stock. Another one I absolutely love is Hercules Capital. I just received some dividends from them. HTGC is a symbol. Dividend yield is 10.23%. Low PE ratio of 9.26. Average volume 1.07 million. Market cap is 3.05 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1514 to 2178. Its day range is 1855 to 1887. Previous close is 1853. So I love their passive income. Some recent good news with them too, with their earnings report, it appears very nice. I'm not going to go in depth. It's another business development company, but I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. And why wouldn't I own these guys? Again, it follows my philosophy, income investing. I'm a little bit of a value investor and I have dividend growth. So I love the income for Hercules Capital. I can use it to reinvest itself. I can use it to reinvest dividend growth stocks. I absolutely love these really high income business development companies. Somebody be like, well, watch out for taxes. Sure, that's fine. I'll deal with that in the long run. But right now, I love the passive income from Hercules Capital because it's buying dividend growth stocks. And this is why I want, some of my Yieldmax ETFs to buy them and then buy my dividend growth stock. So philosophy wise, reinvesting the dividends with Hercules Capital and all these dividend growth stocks and high yielders, this is paying off because look at the annual revenue in millions US dollars. 2013, 139, 2014, 143, 2015, 157, 2016, 175, 2017, 190, 2018, 207, 2019, 267, 2020, 287, 2021, 280, 2022, 321, 2023, 460. So that's an increase in revenue. That's very attractive for me as a dividend investor and income investor. Now, I'm going to jump to the dividend history. Now, again, don't expect the dividend growth to be amazing with high yield dividend stocks. So, quarterly dividend, okay, 2012, 24 cents, 2013, 25 cents, 27 cents, 2013, 28 cents, and 31 cents, very stagnant because, again, it's a high yielder. Don't expect dividend growth to be amazing. 2018, 33 cents. And then it cracked 40 cents at one time in 2020, but it still kept on hiking its dividend. So let's jump to 2021, 37 cents, 39 cents, 40 cents, 48 cents in 2022, 50 cents, 51 cents, and a little bit of a cut, 47, 48 cents. It's a little stagnant, 48 cents, but I'll still take it. Again, it has a payout ratio of 77%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 9. Dividend growth in 5 years, 6.41%. So if you bought one share, you made 160 with an 8.53% dividend yield. And I'm going to jump to the final dividend stock. This is a new one that I'm adding, which is called Carlyle Secured Lending, sitting at 1685. I will have to do an in-depth review on them. Dividend yield is 11.10%, a PE ratio of 10.14. The average volume is 172.80K. Market cap is 857.77 million US dollars. Year range is 1476 to 1873. Day range is 1663 to 1690. Previous close is 1667. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history with this secured lending fund. And the revenue trends are fantastic. Let's start in 2013. $4.96. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2014, $32.98. 2015, $69.19. 2016, $110. 2017, $165. 2018, $207. 2019, $221. 2020, I'll blame the pandemic, $182. And then a little bit of the pandemic in 2021, $171. 2022, $207. 2023, $241. Now let's jump to the dividend history. I love it, and this is why I'm buying it tomorrow. So before I start, again, this is my investing strategy. Shouldn't follow it. You should have your own investing strategy. I'm just showing you my passive income investing strategy, my dividend investing strategy, because I'm high yield. I'm an income investor. I do a little bit of value investing. I'll be buying Target since they're down. I'm also a hybrid of a dividend growth investor. So you got all that combined into one. So I didn't study them completely. I just went over the revenue trends, okay? I made a decision based on their revenue trends, and a little bit into their business model. I did not study if they gave out special dividends, so I just want to confirm that with you. But it looks like in January, there's a little bit of a higher special dividend. So looking at the trends, it might be true. So 2018 quarterly dividend, 37 cents. And then it started 2019, you get a special dividend at 57 cents. And then it was at 37 cents to 45 cents, 37 cents to 55 cents again in January. And then that's 2020, and then 37 cents. And then it's a little bit at 38 cents, 39 cents. They cracked 40 cents in 2022, and they're 44 cents and 48 cents and 47 cents and 45 cents. So that's going to be the dividends right now, but it's a high yielder. Again, dividend growth in 5 years. When you see the high yield, it's not going to be high. So 3.23%. If you bought one share, you made 160 with a 9.50% dividend yield. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 7. Of course, you're going to get a high payout ratio. It's a business development company. 90% of what they make go back to investors. So I'm going to sum this up. I'm buying this one. I own the other two ones. My goal is to probably get to 400 shares if things are well. You shouldn't follow my investing strategy. Everybody's different. I'm single, no kids. I'm a travel nurse. I got my own fun, to deal with. Most people, that are not in my shoes, that's why I tell you shouldn't follow my investing strategy, because what happens if Yieldmax cuts, or does a reverse split with TSLY? If you watch my previous video. So you have to do your due diligence. You guys take care and have a great Sunday. I will show you my income, what I earn with my Yieldmax and Roundhill ETFs and how I'm going to be buying. So you guys take care, have a good one, have a great Sunday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes, I will be buying CGBD, which is Carlyle Secured Lending Fund. I own shares of CSWC and HTGC. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. And I'm going to say, again, my disclaimer, you shouldn't use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice or tax advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. So go see a financial advisor for financial advice. Go see a tax advisor for tax advice. I've lost money before. I've gained money. I'm very close to 150,000 dividend portfolio. And I have multiple portfolios. I don't reveal to you some of them, like retirement portfolios and such, and retirement IRA portfolios. But you have to be very careful with your investments and do your homework. And things are good, things are good. If things are bad, things are bad. So be aware that there's good and bad with any investment. Take care.